Kome Cave Village, or Kome as we know it, is a national heritage site discovered at the beginning of the 19th century. The caves are still inhabited by the descendants of the original dwellers. This, however, is also known as Lesotho's most serene sanctuary.
With modern technology and standards of living, the numbers of cave dwellers around the world have dwindled significantly. Kome is one of the rare sites that are still habited today and has been declared a National Heritage Site.
Tell us about the history of the caves.
The Kome Cave Village is the village that have been here since 1824. The first person to be here was Mr. Kome. It is said that he was fleeing wars in Transkei in South Africa. As we remember, it was during that time when the founder of Basotho Musheshe was relocating from Mekwaning to Tabusibu, and he was running away from Batlokwa, Bahamantatisi, and one of the Batlokwa got lost and came here to the cave and have been given the space to build his home.
Please explain to me how the people live in these caves.
People that are living in the caves now, I can say that they are living normal lives like anyone. It's just that they are living in the caves. And some of the people that are living here are the descendants of those people who arrived first.
Why do they choose to live in these caves?
They chose this location because in that time when they came here, in front of this cave, it was very bushy, such that someone from far away cannot see that there are some people that are living there because they were hiding from the cannibals.
Are there any plans for tourists to sleep in the caves maybe in the near future?
We are encouraging the tourists to come and sleep in the houses there because there are some houses that are not occupied. We just go to the owner of that house, then they negotiate.
My experience coming to Kome has been rather emotional. I'm seeing people who are still practicing their culture. No matter what kind of innovation has come upon a country, whatever, they're still sticking to their roots. Wherever we've traveled so far, we haven't come across people living in caves. That is one of the unique things that this place has. I would definitely love to stay here. Number one, the view. The view is beautiful. The air, the air is very, 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 very fresh. The water running, the sound of the water, the sound of the birds, I'm sure in the morning, and watching the sun rise and everything. So it's a place that I could definitely live in, I'm sure.